Hell Scythe or Scythe Incendio 460 Taper versus Hell's Chain or Chain Incendio 560 High Taper. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically, I'm not entirely sure who it was, but I know it was Bird Robin Kazami for, I know it was like Bird Robin Kazami for one of the Beyblades, and for the other Beyblade was, I think it was either Multi or Shiguru. So I'm going to assume that this was basically Shiguru or Sigrid owning Hell Scythe for this battle, and then the other blade was Bird Robin Kazami, but I'm just not sure. I know that this is one of the Beyblade battles that happened, like in the manga or in the anime, but I don't quite remember who battled who. So I'm just doing this battle now because I'm trying to do all the battles in the anime, but there's just something that I can't exactly keep up with. But this is one of the ones I remembered, so let's start the battle. Before we get started, I want to say, if you want to support this channel and get Beyblades for yourself, please go to some of the links in the description. Some of the links lead you to Beyblade sites like Mall of Toys and Bays and Bricks, and for all those links, they're actually meant to kind of support the community, and you can also support the channel in the process whenever you buy from those sites. So if you want to support me in a financial way, you can use my coupon code or click the links in the description. The coupon code is called the Legendary R. 5% off on Mall of Toys, 7% off on Bays and Bricks, and 10% off on bulk dominoes. So if you want any of those things, then feel free to go to the links in the description, or just basically use those coupon codes at checkout for those discounts. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can like, comment, share, subscribe. All those things help a lot. So thank you, I appreciate it. And my goal, my new subscriber goal, since we reached 3,000 subscribers recently, thank you so much for that. I'm on to my next goal, which is 4,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. And now, let's continue the video. For some reason, I never did this battle too, so yeah, I have a nice amount of these like Persona battles to do where it's just Persona fighting each other. So I guess we'll get to it overall later on. And now, let's start the battle. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Oh! I'm dipping. I'll try to get a better angle somehow. Slowing down, and Hell Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Small hits. Well, at least now the hits are smaller because they're slowed down. But overall, it's really interesting seeing Hell Scythe battling Hell's Chain. And Hell Scythe takes it around with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. Whoa, really big hits from Hell's Chain. Whoa, Hell Scythe is scraping. And Hell's Chain takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, that was actually pretty cool. Hell Scythe takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. I think Hell's Chain won with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Pretty big hits. It's coming down to a wire. There's really not much to say about this battle. It's like chaos. And Hell's Chain. Okay, I'm already getting mixed up. Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. Big hits. Whoa, really big hits. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, extreme finish. Hell's Scythe takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Hell's Scythe takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, they're slowing down. It really feels like the whole battle is just 5 seconds of aggressiveness and then the rest of it is just a slow, calm battle. And Hell's Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Hell's Chain takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, now it's going down to a wire. Let's see who wins. And Hell's Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, now it feels more even. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Really explosive hits. And now Hell's Chain took that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Hell's Scythe flew up in the air. And Hell's Scythe goes down. Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I don't know who won that, so that'll be on the screen if I figure that out. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. It's like they're running away from each other. I mean, I don't blame them because this battle is not just drawn out, but it's also a little bit crazy. Like every once in a while, they'll just hit each other, then they'll fly across the arena, basically. And Hell's Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. I mean, one with a spin finish. And now, yeah, I would just consider this battle to be over. Overall, this battle has just been, it's weird. Like this whole battle felt more like a stamina battle than the actual balance type battle because of the fact that they hit each other a little bit, then start circling around, and then it just feels like nothing's really happening for the rest of the battle. So yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't redo this battle if I had to. Either way, I'll announce the winner now. Your winner is Hell's Chain, 560 High Taper. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. Till next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.